Hello Eagles, it's Mother Eagle here. How is everybody doing? I know you're well. Alright. Nice to see you guys all the time. Well, as a reminder, enrollment is open, so feel free. The information will be in the bottom of this video. So enroll in the academy and let's grow. This is about personal development and it's all up to you. The answers are not outside of you, but rather in you. All we are doing here is we are just being a bright light, shining on to others so they can find their own light and shine too. The interesting thing about light is it reveals things that may not haven't seen the light in a while, things that are in the darkness, things that you need to work on, and that's purely fine. Just go ahead and work on those new things that have been revealed just by being around the egos, because all your imperfections will show up, but they show up just to be worked on, because we need growth. No more finger pointing. It's personal responsibility 101. Well, the topic for today is becoming the person who can embody your vision. I'm truly convinced that God is not really interested in us really accomplishing a goal per se, but the person we become, because we have to embody, think like what you want to become, act like what you want to become, teach others like what you want to become, embody it 100%, because your thoughts have to follow your actions, then the results will show. But we can't start with the results thinking that we are going to get the results without changing the mental capacity. It doesn't work like that. Remember, results are the fruit of what is at the root. It's the fruit, so we have to get that. So, for example, the results you're getting in the business are just a fruit of of all the work you've done in the business. The results you're getting in your maybe personal life, professional, relationship, health life, those are just the fruit of what's at the root. So let's go back and change and modify the root, meaning you have to become. And the process of becoming that person means you have to honestly think, how is my mind working? First of all, what kind of results am I producing? Do I like them? If the answer is no, well, let's change them. Where do we start? We start by our mind. As a man thinks, so is he. Out of the abundance of your heart, your mouth will speak. So as you're speaking, I know where you're coming from, because that's the abundance that's in your heart, So where do we begin? Mind. If you don't get any lesson from this video, just remember the mind. Change your mind. And how do you do that? Read books of people that you admire. The nuggets are in there. They are spread around, but they are there. Go to conferences and workshops. Pick their brain. People who are successful usually have an attitude of mentorship. So they are willing to sit down with you for dinner. They are very busy, but once you get them, pick their brain, take one nugget and add it to yours. As you read these books, these are not novels and magazines. Absorb them. Let them become part of you. For example, when I got that book, Think and Grow Rich, I had never encountered anything like that. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Oh my God. I've read that book. I read it at least twice a year, because as you grow, you perceive information differently. So it was such an enlightenment on things I had never heard of, like, for example, autosuggestion, the mastermind. For example, the WhatsApp group is based on the mastermind principle, whereby if more than two brains get together, they create a third energy whereby they solve situations quickly and easily, and they always get unique solutions to normally hard problems. So iron sharpens iron. We hang around together because of the synergy that happens. Because if you're looking for a quick fix, for example, the Eagles Academy won't be for you, neither will be the WhatsApp, because this is a process of bettering ourselves, and it may be slow, it may appear slow, but how do you determine the height of a building? By the strength of the foundation. I remember many